In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your emails using ConvertKit. Whether you're promoting a product, offering a download, or encouraging your subscribers to sign up, buttons can be a powerful tool to boost engagement and drive action. So let's get started on how you can easily incorporate this feature into your emails. First things first, you'll need to log into your ConvertKit account. Simply open your preferred browser, head over to the ConvertKit website, and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and ready to go, it's time to dive into creating or editing your email. From the dashboard, you'll see two options: broadcasts and sequences. Broadcasts are fantastic for one-time or scheduled emails to your subscribers, while sequences are perfect for setting up automated series. Choose whichever one suits your needs best. If you're starting from scratch, click on New Broadcast. Otherwise, you can open an existing email that you'd like to enhance with a button. Now, with your email open in the editor, let's find a good spot to place your button. It's important to take a moment to decide where it will be most effective, usually somewhere that aligns naturally with your call to action. Once you've identified the perfect spot, click there in the editor to set the insertion point. Now on to the exciting part. It's time to insert your button. Look at the editor toolbar and find the plus sign, which stands for Add Block. Click on this and a menu will pop up. Select the button option, and just like that, a default button will appear in your email, ready to be customized to fit your needs. Customization is key here to make your button stand out and serve its purpose. Start by changing the button label to something that clearly communicates the action you want your readers to take, like download now or sign up. After you've selected an action, consider where you want the button to lead. Insert the appropriate URL, whether that's a product page, a PDF, or your own website. Don't forget to adjust the button's appearance to fit your brand's aesthetics. In the settings panel, you can tweak the color, alignment, and size so it looks just right and cohesive with the rest of your email. With everything set up, you'll want to preview your email. This step is crucial as it ensures that everything looks and functions as you intended. Check that your button is prominent, the text is legible, and the link works properly. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, save your email. Then you can decide whether to send it immediately or schedule it for later. And there you have it. You've successfully added a button to your ConvertKit email. With a little practice, incorporating buttons like this can significantly enhance your email marketing efforts. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.